Welcome to this how-to guide, and today we're going to look at how to sew and create a couch stitch. So first of all, what you need is you need your fabric attached to your embroidery hook and pulled nice and tightly. You need your thread and needle threaded, and I've also put a wee knot at the end to help me. For my couch stitch, you can use various methods of what you're attaching. But today what I've done is I've got two pieces of embroidery thread. One side I've tied a wee knot and I'm just going to trim that down. So it's created this, and then I'm just twisting, give me a nice look. What I'm then going to do is I'm then going to hold it in place onto the embroidery hook. Using your needle, then going and pulling it up next to this the stitch, and then you're going now back down through the stitch, creating a small loop, and you're doing this all the way down your thread. So at this you could attach ribbon, you could attach rope, you could attach much thinner fabric, you could cut strips of spandex and pull on it tighter, so then it creates this form of string. You want to make sure you're keeping it in a straight line also, and keeping the gaps even. So you're just going up one side and down the next side, and this is securing your thread and fabric to it. And that's how you create a couch stitch. This is now attached to my fabric and can be used as a decorative touch to anything.